Hey guys, this is Jonathan Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros, and I got Mark with me today, man. How you doing?
I'm doing well, doing well. How about you?
Doing great, man. I'm doing great. You got some nice Connecticut weather, man. You got some nice Connecticut weather.
Yeah, fall's here. Cannot complain.
Yep, that is good, man. Well, hey guys, I just want to go ahead and just talk about how Mark started his exterior cleaning, journey, and also his experience working with us at Pressure Washing Marketing Pros. And so that's what we're going to go ahead and cover today. So, first thing that I want to go ahead and cover with you, Mark, is how did you get started in the exterior cleaning industry? I know you're young. If you guys don't already know, this guy's a young hustler. He's 21, right?
22, a
22
couple
now.
weeks ago, but
Couple weeks. Okay, well, happy belated birthday. I know we sent you the birthday gift with that stuff, man. With all
yeah,
of that.
always
Sorry
appreciate
about
that from
that.
you guys.
I,
Always appreciate it.
no, no problem, man. I thought you were 21, man. So 22. But yeah, so he's 22 years old, guys. And so just tell us about because you have a unique journey because you were in college and all that. Tell us how you got started in exterior cleaning, man.
Yeah, so think I think it was the summer of senior year of high school when I was just power washing my patio with my grandpa, and little electric one, shitty,
Mm-hmm.
rough journey in the beginning, but yeah, I was just doing it with him, and I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. Let me go make some money. Got a few clients. I think that summer I did maybe like 10, 12 jobs, made some money for college, and I started doing it again the next year because I was like, I don't really want to get an internship yet or a job. Freshman year of college went by, started doing it again, upgraded a little bit, and then didn't really have any marketing going, was just really word of mouth, posting in Facebook groups, stuff like that. And then I think my sophomore year, that summer, I really started getting into it. Started doing like Facebook ads, stuff like that. Grew the business a little bit. And then junior year, summer, I think that's when we started working together.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys built my website, did the SEO, and it's just taken off from there. I mean, I started little electric power washer. Now I'm sitting in front of my truck and my skid, and gonna do over 100K this year. So it's been a great journey, and it's awesome. Learned a lot, and just
Still learning, man. Still
it's
learning.
awesome.
Yeah, no, still learning. And that's the thing about it, man. I wish at 22, that's awesome that you're making over six figures in your business, man, at like 22 years old. I know in 22, man, I was in the Air Force. I was partying, I was not thinking about starting businesses. I didn't start this business until I was 25, and I didn't start my entrepreneurial journey until I was 23, 24 years old, man. So you're already ahead of the game. You're already ahead of the curve. And so so what prompted you to reach out to us? Because I know that you may have been struggling with certain aspects of your marketing. So like what prompted you to reach out to us in terms of like what were you struggling with your marketing that prompted you to reach out to us?
Yeah, I mean, I think the biggest thing was that I just wanted more leads, and I always thought, Google wasn't really what it was. I didn't really understand how it worked.
Hmm.
And then I just really wanted to grow my online presence, and we were talking about this a little bit earlier, but I literally just Googled SEO pressure washing company. You guys popped up first, and my thought process was, look, if they can rank themselves, then they can definitely rank me. And we got on the onboarding call, spoke, obviously know what you're talking about, built me an amazing website, and SEO is amazing. It probably accounts for 75-80% of all the work I do.
Yeah, so that's gonna be my next question is like how has it been, working with that? And that's good because I know that we were talking about also running some ads for you and doing those different kind of things. And I know that we have to set that foundation and everybody has a different part of where they come from. But also I think that you gave us a good foundation as well with your business. I think that when we first started, you have over 100 reviews now, like I think 101, 102 to be
101,
exact
yep.
at the time of this video right now. But I think we first started, you still had like a good, like solid, like 40, you know what I mean? And you were doing it and you were working in college at this, you're not working, but you were still attending college, man. And like, several miles away, man. You know what I mean? Not even in your area like that.
Nah,
And,
nowhere near.
yeah, nowhere near your area. And so I think you gave us a solid foundation. because anybody that's listening right now, yes, we were able to do that for Mark, but I think Mark gave us a little good of a solid foundation where he already had about 40 to 50 reviews on his Google business profile already. And then it just, accelerate from there. So, when it comes to like working with any kind of companies, just because I know, as you said, you've worked with several companies between like your freshman year and your junior year, where you started running Facebook ads and working with other kind of companies in that sense. What is like the biggest thing that you've seen that you would tell other people when they're looking for marketing companies?
The biggest thing that I would say is half of them are BS.
Mhm.
The people I worked with for Facebook, and then I did work with another company for SEO and Google. But they were bad, basically, for lack of better words. They just weren't a good company to work with. They overpromised, underdelivered, and the entire experience just wasn't the best. I couldn't even really get a hold of them if I had a question. If
Mhm.
I email you or your team, I get an answer, within a couple hours, and the answer is detailed, and it's very helpful for me to understand. Because to be honest with you, I have no idea how any of the stuff you do works. I
Mhm.
just trust you and your team, and I think the biggest thing out of all of it is that you guys really show that you know what you're doing when a lot of companies do not.
Mhm. Just being niche specific, man. You know what I mean? We like to be niche specific and kind of do that. And as I told you earlier before we hopped on this call with that stuff, and started recording this, is that I always tell our team that we want to treat every customer like they're our only customer, you
Yep.
know? So customer service is a big thing, as you already know, with what you do, man. So I really appreciate you, Mark, for just hopping on here, telling the people about your experience working with us. And man, look, we hope to like, we look at this video, but like a couple years from now, we hope to like have you in a different spot as well. You know what I mean? Or where you're doing like 300,000, 500,000, you know what I mean? And I see that for what you got. You're very inquisitive, curious, man. And I'm, uh, I'm very, like I said, excited to see your future.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I'm sure we'll be working together for a while because I don't see anybody doing it better than you guys out here.
I appreciate it, man. Yeah, truly, I don't either, man, honestly. But we're always gonna say that with that kind of stuff, man. But I really appreciate it, man. And if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, or comments that are listening or viewing this, go ahead and just leave a comment in the description, or if you're watching on the podcast, in the comments below. And me and my team will get back to them. If you guys want a strategy call, you guys can hit up in the description. And yeah, Mark, like I said, thank you so much, man. Me and my team, we really love working with you, and we appreciate, like I said, everything that you've done and what we've done for you as well.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it more than you guys. Like I said, total game changer in the business. It's really, I don't even know what I'd be doing if I didn't find you guys. Probably paying some SEO company to do nothing and just think that's how it worked. But
Nah, all good, man. Well, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys in the next video.